Okay, we have a swarmed hive that we've collected in this box. Deb is going to pick it up. The queen should be in that box. She's fully suited up. She's going to put it in the new hive that we just built. So she's going to pick up this bee box. It looks heavy. Slowly walk, Deb. There's a bunch of bees on the outside. They are not happy with her. And she's moving it down. I'm staying away because I don't have a bee suit on. To the new hive. This is just a cardboard box that when they swarm, they collected on a tree on our property with the new queen, or the old queen, we don't know which one it is. So we created a new beehive. She's going to open this up, dump the queen that we think we got in that box, and the other bees will follow her in. There she goes, dumping the bee box in. Now she's walking away. I'm not sure why she's doing that. Shouldn't you just shake that box?
Yeah, I'm gonna shake it in a second.
All right. Nothing like questioning the beekeeper. As you can tell, I'm standing quite a ways away. I don't have a bee suit on, and these guys get really kind of aggressive. There she dumps the bees in. She's gonna look in the box. Is there a queen in the box? Obviously not. Now she puts a lid on it, and she's walking away. Trying to get all the bees off her. So that's beekeeping 101.